Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Have you ever been in a part of your house where you cannot reach Wi-Fi? I know, uncivilized. What are you, a caveman? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, you're gonna learn how to fix that and get a solution. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be covering this really cool Wi-Fi extender, the AX1800 Wi-Fi extender from Rockspace. As you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we unbox the product and we give you details on it, and sometimes we give you a sweet discount. So stay tuned to the end. But let's go ahead and unbox that product. Brad?
So we have the Rockspace AX1800 dual band Wi-Fi extender. This will extend the range. Let's get this plastic cut open and get inside the box. Oh yeah. Sliding right out. We have our paperwork on top. Then we have an Ethernet cable that comes out. This is the user manual, the quick start guide. Then we have the extender wrapped in some plastic and the power adapter. Nothing else in the box. Get that on out of the way. Pull the extender out and take a closer look. Oh. Branding right here on top. The antennas are movable, both of them. So you can put this up in a number of different ways. For installing the AC adapter, you will put it on there, line it up, and you would twist it, and it would go in place. It would also pop, letting you know it clicked into place. Just like that. On the side, we have some ventilation hose, some plastic covering up the power light, the WPS light, the 2.4 gigahertz light, and your 5G light. And on the very bottom is where you will find your Ethernet port. And that is everything you get right out of the box on the Rockspace Wi-Fi extender.
So here's some information on the AX Wi-Fi extender from Rockspace. This Wi-Fi 6 range extender is a repeater that covers up to 1,500 square feet and 35 plus devices. It's got double WPS buttons so you can sync up easily with any device. It has dual band signal boosters up to 1.8 gigabits per second and an AP mode with gigabit port. The superior Wi-Fi 6-speed Rockspace AX1800 Wi-Fi extender supports ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 technology. It offers a gigabit speed on 5 gigahertz bands and 574 megabytes at 2.4 gigahertz band. And it covers up to 1,500 square feet for uninterrupted streaming, HD video gaming, and web conferencing. It's got lower lag and a larger capacity. It supports the MU-MIMO. The AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender improves the network utilization rate and solves the problem of simultaneous communication with 35 plus wireless terminals. It's got longer whole home coverage, equipped with double 5 DPI external antennas and dual core powerful processors. The Rockspace AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 internet booster delivers ultra reliable and longer distance Wi-Fi coverage. Move from the basement TV to the backyard patio, indoors to outdoors. This thing has you covered. You can also plug an Ethernet cable with your plug-in devices like computers, game consoles, streaming players, turning the Rockspace AX1800 Wi-Fi signal repeater into a dual band wireless access point. This thing has you covered. My goodness, the Rockspace AX1800 is loaded. So take your range up to 1,500 square feet. That's huge. That should be like a house and a garage. So, or at the pool. You could put this thing and take your Wi-Fi all over your house without having to set up extra wired Wi-Fi ports. you can take your range up to 1,500 more square feet. This thing is huge. Then you don't have to worry about wired routers or anything like that having to set up around the house. You can just set up the AX1800. So, huge shout out to Rockspace for sponsoring this video and sending us their product and letting us share their products with you guys. Let us know in the comments below what your solution is right now for extending your Wi-Fi or having a better wireless connection. No matter where you're watching, no matter where those comments are, and don't forget, if you see the bell, click it for notifications. Follow us where you can follow us and subscribe where you can subscribe. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Good Tech Cheap, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Later.